Good morning, this is Dao Jing here. I'm showing you how to make tea for a busy day. You don't have time to make tea the whole day, so you can prepare a bottle in advance, like so, and then you make the tea. And first of all, you pour water into the teacup or the teapot, whichever you prefer, and you make the tea there. And you prepare a bigger pot for storing all the tea you've made. And to know how many numbers of steeps you can make for tea, you have to know which type of tea you're making. So what I have here is 大红袍 or big red robe, and it can be steeped many times. And there you have it.